Ngayon naman with 6.5 seconds to go, alalahanin natin, San Miguel Beer has one foul to give. Wala pa sila sa penalty.
Dito, isa pa dapat natin gunitain. Yung 3-point shot, itong si Val David, yung tinalo nilang San Miguel Beer, na ni-replay natin prior to
Oh,
this
yeah.
game. This is the same situation. Racela making the first free throw to give them a 2-point lead. Now, he may make the second one and just panigurado ika nga, look at win season at ang kanyang kakamping si Dudut Jaworski, Stani Jaworski, all intensity but his team in a severe handicap right now. Wala na silang timeout at si Racela nasa kanyang kamay ang pagkakataong bigyan pa sila ng malaking kalamangan.
Kung may pasok ni Roselo ito, look for the quick inbound.
Wala!
Wala!
Rebound ako ni Marlo Aquino, binato kay Val David! Val David is there! He goes all the way! Yes! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!
Second extension!
What a game, Kinita! We were telling you,
Pasok
Yes,
na ito,
Papa.
pasok
De La
na
Cruz.
ito, at wala na yun.
oh boy!